Hello friends, hope you are good and have a nice day. In this video I am going to tell you how will you deliver your work to your client by using your mobile phone at Upwork marketplace. First of all, log in into your Upwork account and then search for project catalog. Here you will see project catalog and click on orders. As soon as you click on orders, the new page will come in front of you. Here in this new page, search for submit work for payment. Click here, then the new page will come. In this new page, attach file. You will attach file, upload your file, the work you have done for your client. Search for it. My file is in WPS office. I am going to search. Here is my file. Locate it and uploaded it. Now come to the box. In this box you will leave a message for your client about the work that you have completed, and you will say thanks to him or her. Look at this example and sample message. You will type such type of message for your client when you are going to deliver your work. It's not necessary to write a long one message. Short one is as well as okay. Look at it. So after doing this and completing your message, then you will come at the bottom, and the bottom you will click submit work. Now your work is submitted to your client. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.